8896, Mendez in for Lugo. What direction are you traveling? Copy 8896. Stand by real quick, clear man and equipment. We're at UP 8896, Mendez in for Lugo. What track are you guys going to be coming down today? Track 1, copy that. Alright, so Mendez in for Lugo, gang R236, using 1 Form B track bulletin, today's date, 3/17/26. Form B number 67660, line 1, all tracks on the Los Angeles sub. Between milepost 47.67, milepost 48.95, from 0530 until 1730. UP 8896, may pass the red flag, milepost 47.67 without stopping. Proceed through the limits at max authorized speed. Sounding bell and whistle and approaching passing men and equipment, over. Alright. Alright, 8896, I'll get on the read back, and then let me know when you guys are ready to move again. We'll probably just have you proceed on previous instructions, over. Copy that, we'll give you a heads up when to stop and get live. Alright, thank you guys. Here we go.
Alright, I got you. Here we go, over.
Here we go, over. Approach at 56.
96 East, Road Valley, 92 out.
0 West, go ahead on. We got dispatch 248 to Ticklio. You able to release soon, over. Okay. Or do you just want to get in between, can you work in between switches until Metro gets by, over? Alright, yeah, I'll just need to get one C35 and then we'll probably just get Metro by and then get you back out there, over. Get Metro 419, over. That speed restriction there, over.
What is the 68625?
Yes, sir, that'll be the correct one, over.
West on the speed restriction 68625 on the Los Angeles subdivision from milepost 53.20 MP 53.20 to 53.30 MP 53.30. Do not exceed 30.30 mph on main track number 2 TWO. No flags displayed. That's link 419 CAX 682 West, main track number 1. Ready, copy. Alright, SCAX 682 West, Foreman Mendez in for Lugo, gang R236, using 1 Form B track bulletin, today's date, 3/17/26. Form B number 67660, line 1, all tracks, Los Angeles sub. Between milepost 48.95, milepost 47.67, from 0530 until 1730. SCAX 682 West, may pass the red flag there, milepost 48.95, without stopping, proceed through the limits at max authorized speed. Sounding bell and whistle when approaching and passing men or equipment, over. Alright, Foreman Lugo, gang number R236, Form B number 67660, line 1 all tracks on the LA sub. Give permission Metrolink 419 with the SCAX 682 West. Permission by your red flag milepost 48.95 without stopping. Proceed limits max speed. Sounding bell and whistle will pass approaching main equipment in the clear. Over.
SCAX 682 West, all good on the rebag. Guys, have a good day and a safe trip. Over.
Back in the rebag for Metrolink 419 SCAX 682 West. Thank you. You have a good one now.
UPA 896, form Lugo, over.
8896, go ahead for Lugo, over.
Form 896, on the clear, okay. Continue previous instruction, over.
Yes, sir. If you got your light, you guys are good to proceed on previous instructions, over.
Good job, boss. You have a good day.
Thanks, you too, guys.
Dispatch 248, over. Dispatch 248, over. W10, go ahead, over.
Approach CO 44 up. IT Pro Submerged, CO42 up.
That's 248 to Metro 419, over.
That's like 419 up.
Are you guys currently stopped, over?
Gotta give you a call in just a second.
Sounds good. Talk to you in a bit. Dispatch out.
We're all stopped at Ontario.
Man, I got a few BLIs for you, about 3 XHs and 1 X-ray golf. We'll start off with BLI 68242, over.
Alright, Metrolink 419 SJX 682 West. I got grade crossing restriction 68242, comply with procedure XH X-ray Hotel at milepost 31.93, MP 31.93 on all tracks. Over.
That's on the read. The next one will be BLI 68253, over.
I got grade crossing restriction 68253, comply with procedure XH X-ray Hotel at milepost 31.80 at 31.80 on all tracks. Over.
On the read. Next one will be BLI 68402, over.
I got grade crossing restriction 68402, comply with procedure XH X-ray Hotel at milepost 31.30 at MP 31.30 on all tracks. Over.
Correct on the read. Next one, next and final one will be BLI 68416, over.
I got grade crossing restriction 68416, comply with procedure XG X-ray Golf at milepost 31.30, 31.30 on all tracks. Over.
Correct on the read. Okay, that 1321-1321 dispatcher DRE, over.
1321-1321 DRE. Over.
All correct.
Thank you.